Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hi everyone! We are making a really delicious, healthy dessert today.
We are. So get ready. Let's do some jumping jacks here.
Oh my God.
Let's get healthy.
I don't want to do any jumping jacks. What's happening? So a bunch of you have written in and said, hey, will you do any more gluten-free or vegan recipes? And Josh says,
We're gonna do them both.
that's right.
Today, again.
That's right. Now, you know, gluten-free vegan stuff, you guys, not always my favorite.
It can be really challenging to find a recipe that pleases everyone, you know, in the family that's gluten-free and vegan. But I think this is it.
All right, Josh, so what are we making today?
We are making gluten-free and vegan apple crisp.
You guys, it is good. And you know, I think I have such a sweet tooth. Like, I'm like, bring me all the donuts. But this is a really good, healthy recipe. Our youngest son, Cade, loved it. He was eating it. We made a whole dish this size. He was like eating it out of the dish.
So here's what you'll need for the gluten-free and vegan apple crisp. We'll start with the apple filling. 3 to 4 apples peeled and sliced thin. 1/4 cup lemon juice. 3 tablespoons coconut sugar. 2 tablespoons pure maple syrup. 1 tablespoon blanched almond flour. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla.
All right, Josh, how do we get started on these gluten-free, vegan, apple crisp dessert?
Well, Angela, you don't eat our stuff.
We have 3 extra apples.
We're gonna combine the apples. You want one more?
I would love one more. Why, thank you.
Okay. Add the lemon juice,
Huh?
coconut sugar, and the maple syrup, almond flour, and then cinnamon and nutmeg and the vanilla. We're just going to combine all these until all the pieces get coated. Come on, now doesn't this smell good?
It does smell good. And this is one of those desserts, again, that it's fall. Now, we're having a hot day today here in Los Angeles, but it is starting to get cool at night here and cool in the morning. It makes me want to make like autumny dessert.
I feel like I've just been missing the cooler weather, so
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
Hey, you're a Colorado mountain man,
That's
so
right.
you want some cold weather.
We're gonna set this to the side. Don't eat any more apples, okay?
But now they have stuff on them.
So now we're gonna move on to the topping. Angela, would you like to say the ingredients for the topping?
Sure, is it okay that my voice is still like this?
I love it.
Here's what you're gonna need for the topping. 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 2 tablespoons pure maple syrup, 3/4 cup unsweetened shredded coconut, 1/4 cup blanched almond flour, 1/2 cup quick cook oats, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon.
So the topping comes together just as quick as the filling. First, we'll add the coconut oil.
So wait, does the coconut oil take the place of butter?
Yeah. So in a typical apple crisp recipe, you would use butter
Right.
for the topping and mix it together with flour and the oats and everything, the brown sugar. The coconut oil will act as that oil for you.
Right, because it's vegan, we're using coconut oil, not butter.
Yeah, and actually it tastes really good. So
Guys, I'm catching on!
But you know. All right.
Right.
So then we're gonna do maple syrup,
Okay.
coconut, the almond flour, the quick cook oats, and lastly, the cinnamon. And then, would you stop eating the apple?
I just wanted to try
I'm not
it.
gonna have any left for our dish.
I just wanted to try it with all the stuff on it. It's
Let's taste.
really
Yeah, you
good.
like it? Good. So for the topping, all we're gonna do is combine this with a fork until it looks very like crumbly. But you wanna make sure that there's not too many like really dry pieces so everything's incorporated well.
Okay, so while we've been doing this, our oven's been preheating, 350 degrees.
Exactly. So now we're going to prepare our baking dish. Now, you can use an 8x8 baking dish, but we like to use this 1.8 liter casserole dish. It's about the same size, but this is just so much prettier.
You're all about presentation. He loves things to look nice. I do. I like that though.
That's why I married you.
Oh, you stop it.
That's why I married you.
You stop.
You always look nice. That's right. So to grease this casserole dish, you don't want to use anything that's not vegan, right? So coconut oil works really well instead of like a baking spray. Take a little bit of coconut oil, just spread it around like you would butter, and just kind of grease it so it doesn't stick. So the next step is we're just going to put the apple filling in. All this yummy goodness goes into this baking dish. Make sure you get all of the juice.
Yeah, get all the good stuff.
Yeah. So just spread it around evenly on the bottom. And next we're going to add the topping. Super easy, we're just going to put this on top and spread it around so all the pieces are covered.
Are we ready to bake?
Yep, we're ready to bake. So we're gonna put this in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes.
I'm so ready for the holidays and like I can't wait. We're gonna go to Colorado for Thanksgiving and then my whole crazy Texas and Louisiana crew are coming here at Christmas.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah, I love it. I call it the delightful chaos of everyone in the kitchen and hanging out.
Hawaii sounds pretty good too.
No, I mean, yes, obviously. But. All right, so while that's baking, we just want to remind you guys that if you go to bakingwithjoshandange.com, you can print out all of our recipes, and we have merch now.
And we just want to thank our dear friend Kyle for making all of these designs. You're so talented.
Yes.
Thank you. I think that they turned out great.
Here's a few things that he's making and some stuff that's on the way. He made me a cat lady mug, which I love so much. And the cat lady comes in all different kinds of hairstyles and different hair colors, so you can pick out your girl. And then, you know, the no cookie. I love it. Angela Martin, that's what she said to Dwight.
I get a cookie.
Is it like lame if I wear this to soccer practice for the kids?
It's awesome.
I think it's so cute.
Yeah.
Cat lady. I mean, it comes on everything, you guys.
Yeah.
Like tote
bags,
bag.
you can get it on water bottles, you can get it on so many things and get different colors.
And Kyle has two things he's designing that'll be up soon, which is a kitchen witch, which is something that Aunt Shirley called me in the office.
Tiny like a little kitchen witch. Tiny like a little kitchen witch.
I just love it. It was like one of my favorite episodes.
Perfect for Halloween.
Perfect for Halloween. It's really cute. And then also, I asked everyone online on Instagram, what's something you would really love for Kyle to make? The biggest request was a Save Bandit, like something.
Yeah.
So he's making a really cute Save Bandit. But anyway, we're just having some fun with merch, and this little shirt says sweet thing because
Yes.
Josh,
She's my sweet thing.
Josh says I'm a
She's my
sweet
sweet
thing. Oh my God, we're grossing you out.
All right, guys, so the apple crisp is done. So you can eat this apple crisp plain, and I think it's really good the way it is. Or you can go an extra step and add a non-dairy ice cream. And we're using like a coconut ice cream, and I think the combination of the flavors is awesome.
I love to go into the dish we cooked it in and grab some of the sauce and just drizzle it on. It's nice and warm, and I love it.
But the cool thing is that it's vegan and gluten-free. So
That is good.
it's good. And it's
That
really
is
good.
really good and healthy. So thank you guys for the suggestion, because it made Josh go looking for recipes, and I really like it. And for you gluten-free vegan folks out there, this would be great at Thanksgiving or over the holidays.
Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you next week. I feel weird we're on the opposite side.
I know, here, you want to switch?
There we go.
Okay, anyway, thanks for stopping by our kitchen. We really enjoy having you, and leave us comments, and there you go.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye. Can you hear my crunching?
A little bit.
Really? It's really loud in my head. These are good apples.
It's kind of like love, you know? We can't find another word, you know, for love.
Wow, we're getting deep
Right?
here. We're getting some deep thoughts with Josh Snyder. You have like your side of the bed you have to sleep on.
Yeah, that's true.
Creature of
I have to
habit.
sleep closest to the door so I can protect her.
Okay, in
Thanks.
case anyone comes in,
In case.
he's ready. This is what happens while we edit our videos.